Hey everyone, it's Trevor Tropics WX here with another tropical video. Oh boy, where do I begin with this one? Well, we have severe tropical storm May. Its Philippine name, it's that name, Emong. It is a, recorded at this, it is a 70-mile-per-hour storm and is expected to be a typhoon with 100 mile per hour before making landfall on Philippines. So, if you live in the Philippines, I would take action immediately. But let's get into this. I actually want to make this a very quick video because this is very urgent. Location 16.9, 118 east. It is moving at it is moving at 11 knots. It is moving at 11 knots, which is about 12.6. I'm going to edit this a second. What the fuck? Anyway. It is moving at 12.6 miles per hour, maximum sustained wind 69, or that 70 mark actually is what it is, according to Zoom Earth when I read it. So yeah, we're gonna pop over to Zoom Earth real quick. Okay, so we are on Zoom Earth for this. Here it is. 70 mile per hour at the 6 o'clock time, or 3 o'clock right now on this day. It is expected to be 85 mile per hour typhoon by this time. It will be 100 by this time. And then it will strike the Philippines and become a 65 mile per hour storm, remnants low, and then weaken to a 35. So apparently, what would happen? Oh, you're what? You were at 60. Who cares? Anyway, latest information is it has a millibar about it has a millibar of 981 recorded to this. It could make us. It could make a very go to a. Could make a very much could go up to a category 2 to either 3 on the system scale, which is for this typhoon. It is currently running at C2 from the wind, according to the forecast wind, according to the forecast that we're seeing. But yeah, the people in Philippines, please take action immediately. Your life is in a dangerous threat. If I have to repeat this again, I will. Your life is in a dangerous threat, Philippines. So take action immediately. Anyway, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and make sure you stay repaired. You stay repaired, guys, if you live in the Philippines. Anyway, signing out. Goodbye.